Tama ka. I miss outing now with my friends. Hi, another year, another new era na naman. 2013, bring us luck. Ako si Christoph. Tupi, for sure. Many people think I'm autistic and weird. Pero I see myself as a cool and classy guy. This is Liv. Mabait, matalino, pero we need more evidence para mapatunayan yan. Well, she loves selfies like I do. And she's very mama-coded, to be honest. At ito naman si Aya. Maganda, mabait, mahinhin, pero ang downside ng lahat ng yan medyo marupok siya. Okay lang yan, face card na ng babawi. Now si Ella, ewan ko kung school pa ba to o restaurant. Wala talagang time na wala siyang kinakain, pero hindi naman siya tumaba. Baka fast learner, fast metabolism pala. Now proceed naman tayo sa mga bookworms people. Ito si Mika, tahimik, maganda, matalino, minsan nakalain mong teacher pero yung height pang daycare. Ayan, dito naman tayo sa mga puyat. Ito si Sam, palaging late. Yung tipong kakarating mo lang sa school, tapos patutulog ka na naman agad. Pero kung nasa bahay, walang ibang ginawa kundi magpuyat.
Guys, are you done taking the test? Hirap, no?
Yup, we're done taking the test. Medyo carry lang naman. Ano, gala tayo?
Correct. OMG, ang init. Dito na summer school talaga ang peg. Gala tayo? Pero where? Beach! Let's go to the beach!
Boom! Target lock, destination lock. Ano? Go, 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 go?
Okay, so, I know so many resorts and beaches near us, pero where should we go? Sayaw Beach or Pasako Park at Hilasgasan? Ano? Sayaw Beach? Mas maganda at malapit doon, Day.
Makakalas pa tayo sa pamasahe.
So, Sayaw Beach na tayo, ha? Pero when tayo gagala, mga person?
Okay, how about today?
Today? Ano? Let's go?
Go, 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 go! Excited ako, Gagi! Can't wait malunod!
Hoy, sira! Ay, hindi ganyan dagat ng kalma ng hangin. Pinadhana talaga tayo, mga bes. Kasya lang ba yung mga pagkain binili natin?
Kasya lang yan. Nagbaon pa tayo, di ba?
Oo nga.
Mauna na ka mag-swimming, guys. Bye!
Sige, go. Ako rin.
Then, hintayin mo kung Mika.
How was your mom, Aya? And your Kuya Josh?
Ganun pa rin. Nasa hospital pa rin si Mama. She's still recovering from her surgery. Si Kuya Josh naman nasa city pa.
Kala ko ba summer break nila?
Oo, totoo. Pero we still want to stay in the city. May naisikaso pa kasi siya.
Ah, ganun ba? I miss Tita Alina.
Today is a beautiful day.
The ocean breeze, the wind, is giving me calling by your name. Ooh, I love that film. Especially the scenery and view.
La, ba't walang signal dito? Gusto ko pa naman mag-live sa IG. Sam, anong course kukunin mo sa college?
I'm still undecided pa but I'm thinking about it. Ayaw pa bang maligo? Kakain pa tayo
Uy, mga Serena, lunch muna tayo! Guys, Alina!
Coming! Ano, Sam? Hindi ka pa ba maligo?
Hindi, mamaya na. Ano mamaya na?
Halika, halika. Ella, ayaw mo ba maligo? I wanna be tan and less worried about my skin someday. It was such a dream for me to live a calm and peaceful life. Let me just get...
Liv, have you ever been in love?
Ba't ang random ng tanong mo? Yes, I've been in love.
Hala, sino Liv? Sabi ko.
Ang hilig mo talagang mangolekta ng secrets, no?
Ina ng signal dito, Sam. What are you reading? Anong book yan? Class.
Let me love you. Let me love you. Don't fall asleep at the wheel. We got a million miles.
I really enjoyed this day. These moments will turn into memories na. That someday we will look back in the future. Stop! Naiyak na ako.
Yes, totoo. So let's treasure this moment. I wish life will always feel like this, no? Nakakawala ng problema.
Do you guys also think about disappearing someday?
Ha? Hindi. Bakit mo natanong? Why? Gusto mo ba mag-disappear in the future, Tope? Iiwan mo na kami? Ay, kami lang naman.
Yes, Christoph. I think about disappearing someday. I wanna go to the place na walang nakakakilala sa akin.
What if a random day will come and what if I disappear someday and you guys will find my body hanging on the bridge?
Hoy! Huwag ka nga magsalita na ganyan. Ano ka ba? If you ever think about suicide, Tope, think about the people who love and support you. Mga taong nag-aantay sa'yo, mga pamilya mo, or even kami.
Huwag ka naman ganyan, bro. Mag-upload pa tayo.